Hey everyone, it's Chris in the Artifact Studio, and I want to start what will become a series called Material Parables, where we are looking at objects that either we made in our studio or things that I'm using, tools and whatnot that have utility and a story behind them. We just got this apron in from Jonathan. He was with White and Red Works. He's a woodworker out of Beltsville, Maryland. He's had this apron for several years. He needed it to be sent in to have the tapes replaced, and then he also requested to have this pocket flap added, which is something that we do on our website. So why do I like this apron? Because it shows the marks of the wearer as they were making beautiful stuff. If you check out his work on his website, he is definitely an accomplished professional woodworker, and we're honored that he would use our apron in the first place. But look at how much wear this has developed over time. And what was interesting was when we got it in, we honestly couldn't tell what color it was because we also have a field tan apron. So we did a little bit of research and we were like peeking inside these seams, and we're able to deduce that he in fact originally had our slate apron. So that was the color that we went with. But I just love how this wax canvas has broken down over time. It's gotten supple, it's burnished in places, and it just shows a lot of honest use from somebody that is very purposeful in what they're doing. And for reference, I brought up a new one just to show the before and after. So Jonathan, thanks again for choosing an Artifact apron. And like I said, we're honored that you choose to wear it. Thanks for watching.